If you want to speak English 10x faster using AI in just 30 days, then welcome to day one of Speak English with AI. If you have limited vocabulary, if you do not have an English speaking partner, or if you do not have a lot of time to practice English speaking because you are a busy person, then this series is going to be a game changer for you all. Because in this series, I am going to talk only in English for the next 30 days, and I'll also share with you how I became fluent in English and what are the techniques I personally followed to master my English speaking. So, believe me, this series is for those who understand English but can't speak. But don't blame me later. Oh my god, you shared me for 30 days, but I didn't become fluent. Again, remember, if you can't understand English, this series is not for you. This series is for only students or learners who can understand but feeling hesitate, who has who have lack of confidence, who do not have an English environment. For those, this series is okay. Please don't blame me. And in this series, we will enjoy a lot, we will learn a lot, we will make a lot of mistakes, but still we will not give up for the next 30 days. In today's video, I am going to talk about our learning approach. What we are going to do for the next 30 days. Every day I would give you one prompt for the ChatGPT, and you can use ChatGPT as if it's your English speaking partner. For instance, I am your ChatGPT friend and you are a learner. Then how would you talk with me? Firstly, I am your ChatGPT, okay? I would say, "Hi, what's your name?" You would say, "Hi, my name is Rahul." I would say, "Or it's really nice talking with you. How are you today?" You would say, "I am doing great and I'm a little bit nervous because this is my first conversation with you, my ChatGPT friend." Then I would ask, "Okay, don't worry, you are completely free to make mistakes." The next question I would ask, "Where are you from?" You would say, "I am from Jharkhand." "Oh, what a wonderful place it is. What do you do? Are you a working professional or a housewife or preparing for a government job?" Then you would say, "I am a working professional, that's why I do not have enough time. How can I practice English with you?" "Oh, don't worry, it's wonderful. I would guide you step by step every day. You do not need extra time. So, whenever you get free time, you can talk with me." That's how you can practice, my friends. Now, I am your ChatGPT friend, but remember, every day you can use your mobile phone, and I would also use another mobile phone so that you can understand how you can talk with ChatGPT. Are you getting my point? If you do this for the next 30 days, believe me, your English will be drastically changed. The reason is I followed the same technique and I am the real example. I am speaking with you. Otherwise, you can figure out my background noise. I am from Jharkhand, my hairstyle, my living over standard, everything is just normal. But still, how can I talk in English? Why I'm talking to you? The reason is I followed the right way of learning. If you are following the wrong way, wrong method, you would give your time, effort, money, everything, but you would not see any positive outcome. If you want to see your desired fluency, if you want to achieve it, then please follow me for the next 30 days. And if you really liked this video, then don't forget to comment me in the comment section. Sir, I literally enjoyed your video and I'm waiting for the next day because in 30 days I want to master my English speaking. But again, I am telling you, this series is only for those who understand English but can't speak. If you think like, "I understand only Hindi, I can't understand English," but still you want to become fluent in 30 days, then it's impossible. And don't blame me for that. I want to be as crystal clear as water itself. Did you get it? Hello, my friends. Please comment me below. I'm really feeling very connected to you all. Please support me. Please support yourself and let's grow together. Let's learn together. And if you're new for my channel, then please share and subscribe to my channel. But remember one thing, if you have any personal questions, then please WhatsApp me on the number 62063 71 524 something. I forgot my contact number. Thank you. God bless you. Happy learning.